Hey guys, what's up? Today I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy banana bread. And these are my ingredients that I am about to use. I have 2 medium eggs, I have vanilla extra, baking soda right over there, sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You can also use the granulated sugar, which is the white sugar. And I have 3 overripe banana that I am using. I'm adding some pecan to it as well. And I also have some nutmeg. Alrighty. So the pecan, it's optional. You can go ahead and use walnuts. Whatever nuts is your favorite, you can add it to it. Or if you don't like nuts, you can just keep the nuts and go ahead and bake your banana bread without using any nuts. So let's jump right into it. So first I'm going to mix the dry ingredients and set it aside. So we are starting with our flour. And you want to sieve your flour just to make sure that there is no lumps get in your baking. So I am using a 1.5 cups flour, all-purpose flour. Adding my nutmeg. My baking soda. The salt. Adding our cinnamon powder as well. And I'm going to just give that a good mix just to combine everything. So you want to mix properly to ensure that everything is combined. Now we are going to move right over to our wet ingredients. So before we move to our wet ingredients, I'm just going to cut my pecan. I'm just going to cut it up into some small bits. I'm using 1/2 cup of pecan. And that is our pecan. As I say, you can use walnuts or any one of your favorite nuts of your choice. I'll just set that aside, both the nuts and the flour. So I am going to move on to my banana now. All right. So most importantly, I try to use ripe banana. Overripe banana. That's the best one to use. And the banana is well ripe. I love to use overripe banana to make my banana bread. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just use a fork to crush these. So after we have finished crush our banana, I'm going to add in my vanilla, in the sugar, adding our eggs, and I'm going to just whisk that until the sugar is dissolved. Adding our butter, and this is melted butter, and I am using room temperature egg. Your eggs must be room temperature. So we just mix in until all the sugar has this. So after our sugar has dissolved and everything is properly mixed in, what I'm going to go ahead now and do, I'm going to add my flour, and I'm gonna fold it right in. And we want to ensure that we mix out this flour here properly. And you want to always scrape the side of your container with your spatula. So I am adding some more flour, and I'm just going to fold it in, properly mix it out. Adding the last of my flour. So this is it now, guys. I am going to just add my nuts. As I say, this is optional. If you don't like nuts, skip it. If you have a favorite nuts, you add it. All right, so I want to incorporate that. And that is my oven, the beep right there, on time because I finished. I'm going to just add this to my baking pan right about now. Yeah, there you have it, our banana bread. Simple, easy, smelling real nice, and it don't bake as yet. My baking pan now. Adding our butter now. We are scraping our butter right into our baking pan. Then we are going to smooth off the top with our spatula, and that is it. And you know, me not leave nothing in this, you know, me I scrape out everything. That is what I love about this spatula. It allows you to scrape everything from your baking pan. So if you have baking paper, you can go ahead, put it in your baking pan before you add your butter. So I want to smooth off the top of it. And we're going right over to our oven. I'm going right over to the oven. Please remember to add your water bed so that your cake can stay moist. Now that our banana bread is finished, guys, I'm going to remove it. That is it. Alright, so I'm just going to add some topping just to kick things off and give it a nicer taste. We're going to remove it from the container. I'm adding some Hershey's syrup all over. Then I'm going to go ahead now and add some shredded coconut. All over. So this is it. You could go ahead and make a simple topping. So this is my topping. This is what I choose to use. I'm going to cut it now. So that is it. So please remember to allow to cool. Then you are going to just slice up. Slicing, dicing. So that is it, guys. Enjoy.